Living with arthritis can be challenging, but did you know that what you eat can make a huge difference in how you feel? Whether it's a dull ache or a sharp pain, the foods you consume can either help soothe your joints or make the pain even worse. In this video, we'll uncover the 10 worst food for arthritis that can worsen your symptoms and make your joints feel even more painful. Understanding what to avoid can help you take control of your condition and improve your quality of life. But before we go ahead, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and advice. Sugary foods. High sugar intake is a significant concern for those managing arthritis. Consuming foods and beverages rich in sugars can exacerbate inflammation and increase pain in the joints. Sugary foods cause the body to produce high levels of inflammatory cytokines, which are proteins that regulate inflammation and can intensify the discomfort associated with arthritis. For example, sodas, candy, and pastries are not only high in sugar but also offer little nutritional value, leading to weight gain. This extra weight puts additional stress on the joints, particularly weight-bearing joints like the knees and hips, thereby worsening arthritis symptoms. Moreover, frequent spikes in blood sugar levels from consuming these foods can further trigger inflammatory responses, creating a cycle of pain and inflammation. Processed and red meats. The consumption of processed and red meats is closely linked to increased inflammation, making them particularly detrimental for individuals with arthritis. Processed meats such as bacon, sausages, and red meats like beef contain high levels of advanced glycation end products, or AGEs. AGEs are compounds that form when proteins or fats combine with sugar in the bloodstream. These compounds can accumulate in the body and stimulate inflammation, thereby worsening arthritis symptoms. Additionally, the saturated fats found in these meats can increase the level of inflammation markers in the body, and this further aggravates joint pain and swelling. This inflammatory response not only affects the joints but also has broader implications for overall health, including an increased risk for cardiovascular diseases. Gluten-containing foods. Gluten, a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye, has been shown to cause inflammation, particularly in individuals with gluten sensitivity or celiac disease. For people with arthritis, consuming gluten can lead to gut inflammation, which has a cascading effect on overall inflammation levels in the body. This gut inflammation can exacerbate arthritis symptoms, leading to increased joint pain and swelling. Foods like bread, pasta, and cereals, which are common sources of gluten, can thus contribute to worsening arthritis if gluten sensitivity is present. Eliminating or reducing gluten-containing foods from the diet can help mitigate these inflammatory responses, potentially leading to improved joint health and reduced pain. Dairy products. Certain proteins found in dairy products can irritate the tissues around joints, leading to increased pain and inflammation in some individuals with arthritis. Common dairy products such as milk, cheese, and yogurt contain casein, a protein that people with arthritis find difficult to digest. This can result in an inflammatory response, aggravating arthritis symptoms. There are numerous reports from individuals with arthritis who have experienced a reduction in pain and swelling after eliminating or reducing dairy from their diet. The inflammation caused by these proteins can make the joints feel stiffer and more painful, further complicating the management of arthritis. Alcohol. Alcohol consumption can significantly contribute to inflammation, affecting individuals with arthritis in multiple ways. Beverages like beer, wine, and spirits can increase the level of inflammatory markers in the body, leading to heightened pain and swelling in the joints. Moreover, alcohol can lead to dehydration, which affects the lubrication of joints, making movements more painful and stiff. For those with arthritis, reducing or eliminating alcohol consumption can be beneficial in managing symptoms and preventing flare-ups. The inflammatory effects of alcohol can exacerbate existing joint issues, making it harder to manage arthritis effectively. Foods high in omega-6 fatty acids. Balancing omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids in the diet is crucial for managing inflammation, particularly for those with arthritis. Omega-6 fatty acids, found abundantly in corn oil, sunflower oil, and various snacks, can promote inflammation when consumed in excess. While both omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids are essential for the body, they need to be consumed in a balanced ratio. A diet high in omega-6 fatty acids but low in omega-3s can disrupt this balance, leading to increased inflammatory responses. This imbalance can exacerbate arthritis symptoms, causing more pain and swelling in the joints. Therefore, it's important to moderate the intake of omega-6 rich foods and increase the consumption of omega-3 rich foods, like fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts to help inflammation. Salt and preservatives. High salt and preservative intake can significantly aggravate arthritis symptoms. Processed foods, canned soups, and frozen meals are common sources of excess salt and preservatives. High levels of salt in the diet can lead to water retention, which increases the pressure on the joints and contributes to swelling and pain. Additionally, preservatives used in these foods can trigger inflammatory responses, further worsening arthritis symptoms. Reducing salt intake and choosing fresh, unprocessed foods can help mitigate these effects. By being mindful of the salt content in your diet and avoiding foods with high levels of preservatives, you can better manage joint inflammation and discomfort. Fried and processed foods. Fried and processed foods are detrimental for individuals with arthritis due to the presence of trans fats and advanced glycation end products, or AGEs. Foods such as fried chicken, French fries, and donuts are high in trans fats, which are known to cause systemic inflammation. AGEs, which are formed when food is cooked at high temperatures, also contribute to increased inflammation. These compounds can accumulate in the body, leading to oxidative stress and inflammation that affects not just the joints but overall health. Avoiding fried and processed foods can help reduce the intake of trans fats and AGEs, thereby decreasing inflammation and alleviating arthritis symptoms. Refined carbohydrates. Refined carbohydrates, commonly found in white bread, pasta, and pastries, can lead to weight gain and inflammation. These foods cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, which can trigger inflammatory responses in the body. For people with arthritis, this increased inflammation can exacerbate joint pain and swelling. Moreover, the weight gain associated with high consumption of refined carbs puts additional stress on weight-bearing joints, further worsening arthritis symptoms. Opting for whole grains instead of refined carbohydrates can help maintain stable blood sugar levels and reduce inflammation, promoting better joint health. Nightshade vegetables. Nightshade vegetables such as tomatoes, eggplants, and peppers have been reported by some individuals to worsen arthritis symptoms. These vegetables contain a compound called solanine, which may trigger arthritis pain in sensitive individuals. Although scientific evidence on the direct link between nightshades and arthritis inflammation is limited, many people with arthritis have reported relief from symptoms after eliminating these vegetables from their diet. If you suspect that nightshades are affecting your arthritis, consider removing them from your meals to see if your symptoms do improve. It's important to note that not everyone with arthritis is sensitive to nightshades, so dietary adjustments should be made based on individual responses. To sum up, avoiding these 10 worst foods for arthritis and opting for healthier alternatives can significantly improve your symptoms and your quality of life. Small dietary changes can make a big difference in how you feel day to day. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. And also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on living a healthier life. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making any major changes to your diet or treatment plan. Thank you for watching, and here's to better joint health.